We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a law on environmental protection. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, there are many laws which could be discussed, but and laws are made by the government for the peace and smooth running of the society. There are many laws which can be discussed, for example, seat belt while driving and helmet while motorbiking and etc. There are much stuff of laws which could be able to address, but now today I am going to discuss about the banning of plastic bags. Plastic bags are a slow poison, you can say that. In 2015, government made a scheme of banning plastic bags. I heard about from a news channel that government is going to ban the plastic bags, and it should be strictly implemented by the government, followed by the people of your country, of our country. And well, as this year Pakistan represented the world, celebrated World Environment Day, and it was a representation of that you are going to clean your environment. Plastic bags, when burns, it emits fumes that could be very dangerous and harmful for our health. And actually government also supposed to follow, government also
Okay, you have already spoken for 2 minutes. Overall it is good, just try to overcome these ers and ahs.
Yeah.
The first thing. The second thing, at one point you just stopped.
Yeah.
Right, you took 5-minute gap and then you carried on, right? So just overcome this thing. And when you are talking about plastic bags, you said it burns. It's better to use passive voice, like they are burnt. Passive voice. Plastic bags are commonly burnt, and by burning they generate something and all that. And one more thing, you used and quite a lot, like almost after every sentence you are using and. So try to use other connecting words also, they will improve your band score.
Yes.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do you think this law, and one more thing, for the first 35 seconds you just moved around the bush. So I would advise you to give the background within 5 to 10 seconds and then come to the topic immediately, because you are saying there are many laws which can be discussed. There is a law about wearing a helmet, law about this, law about that, is all irrelevant. You should come to the point, law on environmental protection. So you can start like laws on environmental protection are quite important, because being a human, it is our responsibility to protect the environment, and this is how we can protect our planet Earth. So today I would like to talk, you can go on like that. Yeah. Right, but not about laws are important. Don't define law, just come to the point quickly, right? So do you think this law is acceptable by the people?
Yes, this law is definitely acceptable by the people. People are really very well aware about these laws nowadays, because due to some applications and online reading plans developed by the government are really very helpful to negotiate these type of things.
Okay, is there any situation where people may disobey the law?
Yes, obviously there is a situation when the people disobeys the law. When people finds their own interest, or when people find their own interest and a benefit that is going towards their own self, then they would definitely disobey the law.
Okay, now listen. You have the ability to achieve band score 7, you have the potential, but at present you are at level 6.5. So only few things: overcome pauses, speak fluently, focus the question in part 3, and use a variety of connecting words. That will improve your band score, right? So now I give you 6.5, but inshallah soon you will get 7 or above.
Yes, inshallah.
Thank you.